Imagine a world where diseases that once seemed insurmountable are now relics of the past. What if the very code of life could be rewritten, and the most complex biological puzzles solved with unprecedented speed? Are we on the cusp of a medical revolution that will redefine human health? Stick around, because the future of medicine is unfolding right now. And it's more astonishing than you think. Certain genetic blindness, Leber congenital amaurosis. Let's start with a breakthrough that could restore sight. Genetic blindness, like Leber congenital amaurosis, caused by specific gene mutations, is being targeted with CRISPR-Cas9. Imagine correcting those mutations directly within the eye's cells. This isn't just about improving vision. It's about giving back a fundamental human experience. Research published in the New England Journal of Medicine details successful trials of gene therapy correcting these mutations. What would it mean to restore sight to millions? Sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. Next, we tackle blood disorders like sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. Gene therapy, particularly stem cell modification, offers the potential for cures. By correcting the genetic mutations that cause these debilitating conditions, we can eliminate the root cause, not just treat the symptoms. Imagine a life free from chronic pain and transfusions. This is the hope that gene therapy brings. Studies conducted by researchers at the National Institutes of Health have shown significant improvements in patients receiving these treatments. Certain cancers, immunotherapy. Cancer immunotherapy is revolutionizing oncology. CAR T-cell therapy, where a patient's own immune cells are engineered to fight cancer, has shown remarkable success in blood cancers. Now, researchers are expanding this approach to solid tumors like breast, prostate, and colon cancer. This isn't just about prolonging life. It's about giving patients their lives back. Data released by the American Society of Clinical Oncology highlights the promising results of these ongoing trials. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's, a devastating neurological disease, may soon be tackled with early detection and intervention. Thanks to the NIH's Brain Initiative, we're developing advanced imaging techniques to identify high-risk individuals before symptoms appear. This opens the door to lifestyle changes and targeted therapies that could slow or even halt disease progression. This is about preserving memories and quality of life. Research from the Brain Initiative, published in Science, details the advancements in early detection. HIV/AIDS. The fight against HIV/AIDS is entering a new era. Ongoing research into gene editing and long-acting antiretroviral therapies aims to achieve functional cures. Imagine a world where HIV is no longer a lifelong burden. This is the goal of cutting-edge research. Findings from the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases indicate significant progress in achieving viral remission. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder affecting the lungs and other organs, is being targeted with gene therapy and drugs that address the underlying genetic defect. This is about improving quality of life and potentially achieving cures. Reports from the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation showcase the impact of these new therapies on patient outcomes. Spinal cord injuries. Spinal cord injuries, once considered irreversible, are now showing promise with electrical stimulation and regenerative medicine. Imagine regaining movement after paralysis. This is the hope that cutting-edge research brings. Studies funded by the National Institutes of Health have demonstrated the effectiveness of electrical stimulation in restoring motor function. Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease, a progressive neurological disorder, is being targeted with gene therapies, stem cell transplants, and deep brain stimulation. This is about slowing progression and alleviating symptoms. Research, published by the Parkinson's Foundation, illustrates the advancements in these treatment modalities. Chronic pain management. Chronic pain, a global health crisis, is being addressed with new, non-addictive pain management strategies. The NIH HEAL initiative is driving research into genomics, neuroscience, and structural biology to uncover new targets for pain relief. This is about improving quality of life without the risk of addiction. Data from the NIH HEAL initiative highlights the development of novel pain management approaches. New vaccines, universal flu vaccine. Finally, new vaccines, including a universal flu vaccine, are being developed to prevent infectious diseases and prepare for future pandemics. This is about protecting millions and saving lives. Reports from the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention document the progress in universal flu vaccine development. We've journeyed through the cutting edge of medical innovation, witnessing breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. From rewriting the code of life to harnessing the power of AI and quantum computing, we're on the cusp of a medical revolution. Imagine a future where diseases that once cast long shadows are now easily managed or eradicated. A future where personalized medicine is the norm and healthcare is proactive rather than reactive. By staying informed and supporting scientific research, you're playing a part in shaping this future. Think about the possibilities. What kind of future do you want to help create? The quest for knowledge and the drive to improve lives is a journey we all share. By engaging with content like this, you're not just staying informed, you're becoming a part of the conversation. Every like, every comment, every subscription fuels the momentum of discovery and helps spread awareness about the advancements that are shaping our future. You're not just watching, you're participating in the evolution of medicine. And by doing so, you're helping to build a healthier world for everyone.